with me, Phyllis Hull, host of The Whole Truth. What cocktail are we going to get? The National Anthem. Creamy. Maybe it's just not for me. So how many Phyllis Fingers does it get? A big fat 2. Is it cutlery? That's a good portion. And just the right crunch. The Barbosa. Well, it's a lot fucking nicer than that one. And it comes with flowers. These are prosciutto and palm croquettes. So good. Would I order that again? Yes, I would! Right, follow me to the bathroom. Is it this way? Is the bathroom? Hello, kitchen! Hello! Oh no!
My friends. You go.
I love how you
No,
do
wait,
it.
I'll go. No, wait, you go.
You know what really blooms my onion? When you order a pizza and you get a flatbread. Well, that's just happened. I ordered the beef dip. It looks and smells delicious. Oh! Oh! Fuck me. My God. Get it. Hi, Phyllis Fingers. It's delicious. And I think this place has got a nice ambiance.